Morning. My name is Sharice Brown, and I will be demonstrating the cover, copy, and compare RTI intervention. This is considered a tier 1 based on considering it an assessment. So basically, the student will receive 10 math mats. Once the students receive the 10 math mats, the first thing the student will do is study the problem. Once the student has studied the problem, and we'll cover, and I'll copy. And I will uncover to compare. And as you can see, I compare the two and I answered correctly. For the next problem, I will repeat the same steps. I will study the problem, I will cover. 5 equals 8. And I will uncover to compare. Once again, I have the correct answer. So I would move to the third problem, which is 9 times 12. I will cover. Once I copy and I compare. Well, upon my discovery, I answered incorrectly. In the event that the student answers incorrectly, it would strike through, study the problem once again, and we'll cover 12 times 12 plus 1, 4. Then I will uncover once again to check my work and compare, and this time I was able to answer correctly. And repeat again. Study. 6. And I will uncover and then compare. Good. I would repeat the same step. And I will cover after I study. And I will uncover to compare. Once again, I've answered incorrectly. I mistaken addition for multiplication. So what I would do is restudy this problem. And once I've restudied it, I will cover. And I will strike through this one. I will copy the original problem. Then I will hope that I've answered it correctly. And once I uncover, I answered correctly. So that will be the first 5 mats out of 10. And I will proceed for the next 5. So I will study the problem and I will cover. And I copy, and then I will compare. For the next problem, I will repeat the same process. I will study the problem and I will cover it. I copy, and I'll compare. I'll move on to the 7th question. Now I studied it, and I'm going to cover it. Okay. Oh, I answered incorrectly, so I would need to strike through this one, and I will study again, and I will cover. And I copied. And I'm going to compare my answer to the original question, and I've answered incorrectly. Well, I've answered correctly. That'll conclude my RTI intervention of cover, copy, and compare. Hopefully you find this helpful and understandable. Please, I'm open to any feedback that you have for me, and thank you for watching and tuning in.